Hi everybody, today we're going to talk about one of my favorite blocks, VITA Enamic. We're going to show you how to polish it to the high sheen and polishability of the gold standard VITA Mark II and Trilux. So this is what you need to polish VITA Enamic. You have your VITA Enamic polishing kit, which is comprised of the pink stones on the left, the gray on the right, depending on how your anatomy is going to be. And then the final secret is what we call goat hair. And this is the brand that we buy, and we use Diashine paste on it. And this is going to bring out the high luster and polishability of Enamic so that it shines just like the VITA porcelain. So here we have an upper interior that we're going to polish, and what we're going to do is we're going to start with our redstone. And so this is generally what I would use for most surfaces. And what you do when you polish it vertically, horizontally. And so let's just start with this first, okay? So basically we polish vertically, horizontally, obviously be careful in the contact, you don't want to put too much force there. And next we use our gray stone, and same sort of thing, basically go side to side and up and down, and you go all around the tooth as well. Literally it takes about 30 to 40 seconds for each one of these. So this is the level of sheen that you get after using the VITA polishing set, going for the red stones and then the gray stones. And it's not bad, but we're going to basically take it up a notch. We're going to use that goat hair and the Diashine and watch what happens. And again, you're basically going horizontal, vertical. And it's okay to put a little bit of muscle into it with this one. So after using the goat hair, now it's got a much higher sheen and gloss to it. So we're going to compare this to the Trilux Forte to show you how the VITA Enamic stands up.
Okay guys, I'm going to show you the Feldspathic Porcelain. Here I have a VITA Trilux Forte, and what I've used is my green, blue, and yellow polishing stone, followed by a coarse brush with a Diashine. And we'll show you, we want to compare it and see how close Enamic gets to it.
So here you have VITA Enamic beside Trilux Forte, both polished, both looking amazing. The VITA Enamic is actually the one on the left, the Trilux Forte is the one on the right. But VITA Enamic, this is one of the reasons why it's one of my favorite blocks. You can use it on everything, and the aesthetics are phenomenal. Thanks for watching, guys. Polishability of VITA Enamic, and we look forward to the next video.
See you next time.